Okay, it's day 19 for the Bourbon and American Whiskey Advent Calendar, and let's do it. 19. All right. Come on. There we go. Okay, lucky number 19. Okay, here's a new one. I've definitely not had this before. Let's see. James Cree's Cattle Ranch Whiskey, 4-year-old. Tennessee Bourbon Whiskey, 40% alcohol by volume. Whatever that is. There you go. Okay, this is a new one for me, so let's give it a shot. If I can open it. It smells almost sweet. Oh, yeah, there's the burn. Okay, yeah, a good little burn there. A little sweet. Oaky, of course. Peppery. Yeah, aromatic, earthy, the usual, but I don't know. I'm concerned this one may burn a little bit, so we'll see. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. James Cree's Cattle Ranch Whiskey, 4-year-old. Yeah, this one had a little bit of a bitter taste. The burn was one thing, but it was bitter. I'm trying to think. It wasn't exactly a black pepper taste, but it was a little spicy. Maybe not as sweet as I thought. I don't know. That was definitely a bitter taste, though. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Never heard of it. No, I don't like it. Whew. Not a fan of that. Cattle Ranch, whatever. Okay, that was day 19. On to day 20.